Welcome to BuildMyChecks. We help businesses replace paper checklists with digital inspections, photo evidence, and automatic audit trails, all in one place. This video shows how to complete a check using the BuildMyChecks mobile app. Start by selecting a check from your list, fill in all required fields, marked with an asterisk. Use the camera icon to capture photos as evidence where needed. Add comments, notes, or signatures if required. If you need to finish later, tap Save as Draft. When the check is complete, tap Submit. Your submission will sync automatically when you're online. Simple, fast, and reliable checks, wherever you are. Subscribe for more BuildMyChecks how-to videos.